Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Commands of the Day with Plague Generation. In this episode, we are going to revisit the chmod command. So, in the last tutorial, I talked about how to change permissions by using the chmod command followed by some octal numbers, for example 755, and then the file you want to modify. And these commands worked very well, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you another way of modifying permissions on a file using some human-friendly modifiers. So the syntax is like this: chmod followed by the modifiers, and then the file which you want to modify. Okay, so the modifiers are like this. There is U for the owner of the file. There is G for group owners, or for people that are in the same group with the owner of the file, and then there's the O for others, and then after that there's a plus sign, which means add the following permissions. So the permissions can be read, can be write, or can be execute. So as you can see, on my left side there's the users, and then on my right side there's the permissions which you want to add, and in the middle there's the plus sign. So the plus sign can be a minus sign, which means remove the following permissions. And also these modifiers, they are flexible. You can simply add or remove permissions for a single user type, or for maybe two users, for example the owner and the group members, like this. Okay, so let's say for example I wanted to remove write and execute permissions for all users on the Dennis directory. Then the command will have to be chmod, and then followed by the users which we want to, where we want the permissions to apply. So it will be chmod, and then there's the owner, the group members, and then everyone, followed by a minus sign, and then an XR, and then followed by the file name. So what this command does is that it removes execute and read permissions on the directory called Dennis. So if you press enter and hit ls-l, you see that the permissions have been applied successfully. So you can go ahead and test if the permissions have worked. Let's try to navigate into the Dennis directory. You'll find that we will receive a permission denied, which means that we are not allowed to navigate to a particular directory. So in this example, we have removed permissions. What about adding permissions? We just have to type chmod ugo, and then instead of a minus sign we have to add a plus sign, which means add the following permissions. And if you do an ls-l, you see that the permissions are back on the Dennis directory. So besides just applying permissions on the top directory, you can also tell the chmod command to apply permissions recursively by adding the R option, a big R, and then typing Dennis. So if you type lsl Dennis, you'll find that the permissions have been applied recursively. Also, you can also use the -v command, which means the command will be verbose. It will show you what's happening under the hood. So as you can see, it tells you everything that is going on. So I will leave you to experiment with the chmod command. You can also tell me what you've found out from using the chmod command in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also like my video and share with your friends. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this video. Stay safe. Black Generation signing out.